Well, this is a transformational moment for PTC Therapeutics. We've been a publicly held company for 15 years doing research and development into rare genetic diseases with novel technology. And in the last 18 months, we've gone to a completely new place. We're now a publicly traded company. We're now a company that's gone international for the first time. And we're launching our first ever drug from our pipeline, which happens to be for Duchenne muscular dystrophy, an area of huge unmet medical need, where patients have been really waiting for the first breakthrough, and we're bringing that to the world. So our job over the next 12 months is to bring, Translarna, the first ever drug approved for Duchenne muscular dystrophy, to patients as quickly as possible. Well, one of my philosophies is, having been in the rare disease area for the last 16 years, is that you really need people who understand what it takes to bring a drug all the way through to patients at the end of the day. So my biggest challenge is building a team around the world that has that expertise and that desire and willingness to build, a tremendous company that can help patients in numerous rare diseases over the coming years, because we have, I think, a very exciting and interesting pipeline. I think for the industry as a whole, there are a lot of avenues of research underway right now, which are all really interesting. The key question is how to get the drug in development to a patient faster. The traditional processes that could take, well, in our case, with Translarna, 16 years from the start to getting it approved, means it's a very long time in the context of patients with Duchenne who survive into their third decade. So if we can just find the right approach with the regulators, with the payers and others, that would allow us to bring a drug to a patient faster, even if it's not perfect, and have more post-marketing commitments to help us complete the picture, I think that would be a great win for everybody. I think the World Orphan Drug Conference is a great opportunity to network with people in our industry and others who are stakeholders in this industry. It's not a massive industry. It's a group of people who I think are very passionate about what they're trying to do. And I think it's great to sort of reconnect and to, in a way, get the energy from everyone's collective efforts in this area to find more solutions for patients.